So like you can use the block machine in the at the bush site, or maybe in a village. There's not enough electricity. You can use this block machine because it doesn't use electricity. It's powered by diesel engine. And also, you know why I said this block machine is a new model? Because we updated, we improved our design, and plus two hydraulic cylinder, and compared with one. Now there are 3 hydraulic cylinders to compress the blocks and to process it, the block machine. So that means with the 3 the hydraulic cylinder, you know, the processing of the blocks or lift up or compress the blocks will be more easier compared with the old model. And like what you see now, we use the best brand of the the diesel engine in China. And also the horsepower of the diesel engine, now we enlarge it to be 22 horsepower. And before, or some other suppliers will be used only 15 horsepower. So 15 horsepower is not enough to power the 25 hydraulic pump. Now also the hydraulic pump, we also enlarge the capacity. Now is the 25, the model is 25 hydraulic pump.